Welcome to a new video of the parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. Let's see. You see in the photo a BMW. Well, it has had an accident, although it has not been very serious. But well, it has a broken bumper, it has a broken xenon headlight, it has also damaged supports, and in short, a lot of money is going to be left in bodywork repair. But this could have been avoided. I explain. It came to the workshop about 5 or 6 months to change the alternator belt, because it was constantly rattling. When I went to disassemble it, I told him that he also had to change the crankshaft pulley, which was in poor condition. I will leave you a link of a pulley that was in a similar state, and that another client told us that it was not so bad. As I say, I will leave you the link so you can see that. This is another car, but hey, they have the same engine. The client told us no, that the pulley we left it as it was, that we only changed the strap. What happened? A couple of days ago, I was driving around the city, and suddenly, well, the pulley broke. Look at it. As I say, that pulley burst. It also happened to be turning. There you will see that the crankshaft pulley is broken, the engine stopped, and of course, the steering stayed hard, and he collided with a van, which was parked. That's why he had that accident. If he had listened to me, when I told him to change this pulley, then this accident would have been avoided, which I already said. It could have been worse, okay? Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.